Good morning, students. Take out your books. So it is your science period, okay? Take out your science books and open page number 119, chapter 13. Okay, it is unit 4. Unit 4, environment. R, environment. So what is environment? Environment is the air around us. It is the blanket of air that surrounds us. Yes, it should be how it should be. कैसा होना चाहिए हमारा environment? It should be fresh. It should be pure. Different steps are taken by the government, and we also should help the government to keep our environment clean. And first the step is the like planting trees. And but today our chapter 13 name is saving our environment. Saving our environment. So this chapter deals with the management of garbage. What is there in this chapter? This chapter contains how to deal with the management of the garbage. First, what is the garbage? Garbage होता क्या है? हमारे लिए जब whenever there is a holiday at home, every day in the morning, the sweeper comes, he rings the bell and says, "Kuda." Then what does the mama does? She collects the garbage from kitchen, then from your room, then from bathroom. She collects garbage from the different places, na? So every kitchen has the garbage of different type, and bathroom has the garbage of different type, and your room, especially your room, have the garbage of the different type because you are a student. Okay, what does your garbage contains? Your garbage contains paper, pen refills, and many more. And you eat biscuit, chips, their packets. You throw in the garbage. Okay, so let's begin. So what is garbage? Actually, what do we think? The things which are of no use, that is garbage. Is that actually garbage? जो चीज आपकी यूज में नहीं है, क्या वो सच में garbage है? Is that any more garbage? Do you think that the things we throw, that is really a garbage? Sometimes it is no. Why? Because they can be reused, they can be recycled, and the garbage can also be reduced. So what is this? This is a 3R procedure. 3R procedure. See, this is the 3R procedure, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Now what is the actually meaning of this? इसका मतलब क्या है? हमें अब ये हम डिटेल में करेंगे. So see, today's newspaper. आपके घर आज न्यूज़पेपर आया. Today's newspaper is a waste for tomorrow. Today's newspaper is a waste for you tomorrow. No, it can be reused, it can be recycled, है ना? So 3R जो procedure है, reuse, recycle and reduce. See, reuse मतलब you can reuse the things. Okay, like one jam bottle finished today, instead of throwing that in the bin, you can reuse in any other way. Like we make chart papers, you can keep them in a safe place for reusing them again. See, a junk dealer come at your home. Who is a junk dealer? Kabadi wala. He comes at your home, collects the trash. What is trash? It is the garbage that is no more use for you, but it is very much useful for him. He pays you. He pays you instead of and takes your garbage away. Why? Because he takes that to the factories. He bags it to the factories where the things are melted. Things are melted and they are given a new shape. एक new shape दी जाती है और उसको एक ऐसा final new product they make a new product out of it that is ready for us to reuse. Okay. Now see another topic. Now moreover, the sweeper, the community sweeper that comes at your home and rings your doorbell and collects the trash, collects the garbage from your home. Then one day a girl named Aditi, she was surprised. She was so curious to know कि where he takes all the garbage. ये garbage कहाँ लेके कहाँ जाता है? ये इसका करता क्या है? तो उसको she was so much curious. Then he